A queue is like a line. There's a front of the line and a back of a line. And what you can do is you can remove people from the line, and they always get removed from the front of the line. You don't remove them from the middle because that's not fair. And you add people to the back of the line. You don't add them to the middle because that's not fair. Removing is called dequeuing. Adding is called enqueuing. So the basic queue functions are these. So we can enqueue, like so, and we can dequeue, like so. We can test and see if our queue is empty. Currently it is not. We can test and see if our queue is full. It doesn't look like it. I got some more space. I can also peek, which is looking at what's at the front of the queue. So in this case, it's a skunk. And I can also check out the size. In this case, it would be 5. So let's trace a bit of queue code. So I can make a new queue. Presto, there it is. Then I am going to enqueue a bunny. There she is. Then I'm going to enqueue a hedgehog. There it is. And again, all the enqueuing will happen from this end and all the dequeuing will happen from this end. Then what I can do is I can print out the size, which would be 2. Then I can dequeue. Then in this next one, what's happened is I've dequeued it, but I've remembered it in a variable. So that means that I would be able to print out hedgehog on the screen with my next line here. So you can either dequeue and forget what it is if you don't care, or you can dequeue it and remember it so that you can do something with it. A queue is a FIFO structure. So that means that the first thing in, when we build up our queue by enqueuing, the first thing in is going to be the first thing out. And so our queue is a line. All of the functions, size, peek, enqueue, dequeue, is empty, is full, are order 1, constant time, which is insane. That is faster than anything else we have studied. The thing about a queue, its trade-off is that it only does FIFO structures well. So if you got a line, you're good to go. Otherwise, if you have any other structure at all, this ADT is completely useless to you. So that is your card for queues.